In front of me is Black Shark Pad 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, launch two apps you wanna use in this view in the background. So for example Chrome and YouTube. Now access background apps and click on the icon of an app until you see a pop-up. It can be one of those. App you will pick though will appear on the left side of your screen, or if you are using your tablet in a vertical position, it will be available at the top of your screen. So this is something to consider. Anyway, click on split screen, tap on a second app, and after a few seconds, enjoy using both at once. Now, if you want to go back from this view, you can either go back into the background and swipe them like you would any other app, or you can use this line in the middle. By dragging it a tiny bit, you can resize your apps, but by dragging it all the way to the right or to the left, you can close one of your apps and then do the same with a second one, this time by swiping it in the background to close it fully or choosing home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!